Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Abbas Ali. I am student of computer science from Comsats University, Islamabad WA campus. My registration number is FA20 BCS 121. Topic of today our discussion is importance of agriculture in Pakistan's economy. Introduction. Agriculture is the process of cultivation of land or soil for production purpose. Agriculture plays a very vital role for economy of Pakistan and its development. It is the main source of living or income of the major part of economy population. Agriculture is the major source of food of huge population of Pakistan. Agriculture is also the major source of provision of raw material of industrial sector of Pakistan. About 70% of population is relates to agriculture directly or indirectly. It contributes towards GDP about 25%, which is higher than the contribution of any sector. These are some main points of importance of agriculture for the Pakistan's economy. Number 1 is source of employment. Agriculture has much importance because it provides employment directly or indirectly to the public. Pakistan as a developing economy, the employment on a constant level is much importance. Employment directly affects the GDP of economy as well as per capita income. With the increase in per capita income, living standards increases, higher hygienic facilities and better education facilities are also increasing. So we can say that agriculture has a great contribution to the economic development by providing employment. Food requirement. The population growth rate of Pakistan is increasing rapidly. According to UNDP, Human Development Project report, the population growth rate of Pakistan is 2% per year. So with the rapidly increasing population, the food requirement is also increasing rapidly. In this behalf, agriculture is only major sector which is meeting the increasing requirement of food. So we can say that the agriculture sector is playing a very vital role in the development of Pakistan by providing food for massive population as well as supporting economic growth. Next one is contribution in exports. Major exports or cash crops of Pakistan are wheat, rice and cotton. 9.8 billion bales of cotton are produced per year. Rice crop is produced 4.3 million tons per year. The foreign exchange is utilized for the import of industrial or technological equipment such as machinery or automobiles. Further, this foreign exchange is utilized to improve the infrastructure of economy or for improving the other sector of the economy like education, health and investment. Next one is raw material for industries. Industries have great importance for the development of any country, especially for developing economies like Pakistan. In Pakistan, agriculture provides raw material to industries. Cotton is very important agriculture production which is also a major export of Pakistan. It is used as raw material in textile industries. Livestock is also an agriculture sector. It provides the raw material to various industries like sports, goods industries and leather industries. So in this way agriculture helps to the people, Pakistan's economy and its growth towards development. Infrastructure development. Infrastructure plays a very important role in the development of any economy. It is the fuel to the economy development. Well organized infrastructure is a key to development because of quick means of transportation of agriculture goods or commodities and communications. On the distribution purpose of agriculture products, goods and quick means of transportation are required. This intends to improve the infrastructure rapidly. Hence, agriculture plays an important role in the development of transportation for the purpose of distribution of goods. Increase in GDP level. Agriculture has a huge contribution towards the GDP level of Pakistan economy. It contributes about 25% of total GDP, which is higher than other sector of Pakistan. An increase in GDP shows the development progress of economy. It had played a very important role since independence towards the GDP of Pakistan. Now agriculture is the third largest sector of contributing to GDP. Livestock and fisheries are a huge sector of agriculture in order to provide employment. Farm mechanization. The introduction of farm mechanization in the agriculture sector had played a very effective role in the development of economy of Pakistan. With the use of modern machinery in agriculture, lands cause more and higher quality production of crops. So the provision of raw material to the industries increases. Due to an increase in productivity level of exports, rate of major export crops is increased, which causes foreign exchange and economic development. Here are some problems about agriculture in Pakistan. Now we can explain these problems one by one. Number one is yield collection problems. The collection of yield from small farmer is a very expensive and difficult process, so it is a great problem for making marketing. Number two is rough grading products. Commodities of products which are graded have a higher price in market in Pakistan. Mixing of poor and good qualities is common, so grading problem must reduce. Number three is storage problem. The storage facilities in market are not enough. The seller cannot store and wait for a higher price of the product due to lack of warehouses. Because of this, some perishable products suffers loss. Number four is transportation in problems. Our source of transportation are insufficient, so a regular supply of products is not possible for the market. The village is not properly linked to the markets. For proper provision of products to the market, there must be sufficient as well as fast means of transportation. Revenue system. Our farmers must pay land revenue after the harvesting of each crops, so it forces the farmer to sell their products at low prices. Market reforms. The government should improve the market system. Strict rules and laws should be introduced. The price of agriculture products should be checked by the inspector in the market. Now at the conclusion, although Pakistan is an agricultural country, yet its agriculture sector in economy is still backward. Use of modern techniques, provision of credit facilities, basic infrastructure and agriculture research facilities are needed to remove all the problems of agriculture sector. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.